That's very interesting, especially this study as well as the Framingham Heart study, is that they note, because Framingham Heart study is coming up with the same conclusion, they see these things, but they don't come up with the conclusion. So what's causing it? I will tell you what is causing it. If you look at biochemistry, an LDL molecule, that's a low-density lipoprotein, that's bad cholesterol, what is it made out of? Always look at where is it made? What is it made out of? A low-density lipoprotein is a triglyceride with an apolipoprotein shell. It's a triglyceride. The whole core of an LDL molecule is a triglyceride. Well, so where do triglycerides come from? Do they come from animal fat? Do they come from the little bit of cholesterol that's in the egg yolk? No, they come from sugars and carbohydrates. See, when you eat a sugar, your blood sugar is going up. And so you have to get this sugar down. What happens with the sugar? Does it just disappear? What is the cardinal rule of chemistry or science here? Matter is neither created nor destroyed. No, it isn't destroyed. We have to switch this matter, this sugar that's going to kill you. We have to turn it into something. And what is that something? Insulin, which is a hormone, will actually give up what are known as hydrogen ions and convert it into a fat. Sugar is converted into a fat. And let's be specific. What is the name of the fat? Is it alpha-linolenic acid? Is it icosapentaenoic acid? Is it docosahexaenoic acid? Is it just plain linolenic acid? No, it's called a triglyceride. Triglyceride. Your sugar becomes a triglyceride. Your triglycerides, have you ever noticed in your cholesterol lab reports? They're always telling you how many triglycerides you have. It's important, because your triglycerides are the core of the LDL molecule. And so we're so busy trying to avoid these eggs and meat and all this, stuff that's so full of fat. You actually have to have fat to do all kinds of functions. They're involved in the hormone functions. They're involved in cushioning your tissues. There's many, many functions of fat. And so we have crowded them out to allow for all the carbohydrates. And now diabetes is just out of control in our country. Heart disease is still one of the number one killers. It was the number one killer until just recently. Now cancer has moved to that slot. And all these, I won't even go into cancer tonight because this is all related too. But we're running down the wrong street. We have got to get rid of all this sugar. And then we say, well, I get rid of the sugar, but then you live on carbohydrate diets. All you do is eat bread and rice and noodles and potatoes and crackers and chips and pretzels. And if that's all you eat, you're still going to have trouble, even if you cut out all your sweets. So these efficient proteins that are also complete, they're not the enemy. They're what's going to heal you if you have depression and anxiety. You've got to have these foods. Okay, now,